The Voyager 4245 Office is a Bluetooth wireless headset system offering convertible headset options and one base option. It connects to the desk phone and PC or Mac via Office Base and mobile via Bluetooth from the headset. A Microsoft Teams version is also available. To charge the spare battery, connect to a USB power source. You can replace the headset battery even during active calls. When you remove the headset battery, the headset mutes. After replacing it with the charged spare battery, you'll hear base connected and mute off. The call will continue as normal. On a full charge, the headset provides up to 5 hours of continual talk time. To set up the Office Space to a desk phone, connect the Voyager 4245 base to your telephone using the telephone interface cable included in the box. An electronic hook switch, also called an EHACE cable and handset lifter, are available if you want to answer desk phone calls remotely from your headset. To set up the Office Base to a PC or Mac, connect the Voyager 4245 base to your computer with either the USB-A or USB-C cable that came in your box. To set up your mobile phone via Bluetooth, you'll need to put it in pairing mode. Turn off the headset by pressing the call button until you hear power off. Then press the call button until you hear pairing and the headset LEDs flash red and blue. Activate Bluetooth on your phone and set it to search for new devices. Select Poly V4240 series. If necessary, enter 4 zeros for the passcode or accept the connection. Once successfully paired, you'll hear pairing successful and the headset LEDs will stop flashing. The Voyager 4245 has 3 wearing styles: over the ear, over the head, or behind the head. All styles can be set up for either the left or right ear. Install the battery into the headset, then open the included fit kit. For over the ear, start by orienting the device on the side you would like to wear it. Then choose the size of ear loop that fits most comfortably. Align the ear loop and insert it into the headset. Next, choose the size and style of the ear tip that fits most comfortably. Align the ear tip with the large notched end facing the microphone. Press on to attach, then rotate the ear loop up to 90 degrees. While wearing the headset, the microphone should rest as close to your cheek as possible. You can adjust it by holding the base of the headset and pivoting the earpiece to bring the microphone closer to your mouth. The microphone will make soft clicks when you do this. To set up over the head wearing, use the stiff headband. Hold the headband so that it is aligned with the headset and insert the headset into the headband. Rotate the headset up. Adjust the headset so that the microphone is close to your mouth. For the behind the head wearing style, use the flexible headband. Align the headband and headset, then ensure that the headband sits flat against the headset. Rotate it up to 90 degrees. Select the size and style of ear tip most comfortable for you. Align the ear tip with the large notched end facing the microphone. Press to attach. Adjust the microphone to rest close to your mouth by putting a finger on the indicator light and pushing the microphone in. For making answering and ending calls, please take note the 2 audio icons, a computer and a desk phone. These buttons allow you to switch to a different phone line or audio channel. To make a call, tap an audio button on your display. You'll hear a dial tone. If you do not hear a dial tone, turn over the base and adjust the switch labeled A through G. A works for the majority of desk phones. D works for Cisco phones. If your desk phone does not have an HL10 lifter or an EHACE cable, press the phone's headset button or manually remove the headset. Once you hear the tone, dial from your soft phone or desk phone. To answer or end a call, tap the headset call button. If you are using a desk phone without an HL10 lifter or EHACE cable, press the phone's headset button or manually remove the handset when answering. Hang up the handset when ending the call. To automatically answer an incoming call, you will need to have an EHACE cable or handset lifter. If you have the Microsoft Teams version of the Voyager, ensure that Microsoft Teams is installed on your computer. You can bring the application to the front of the screen by pressing the Teams button on your speakerphone when not in a call. If you have Microsoft Teams notifications, the LED will pulse. Tap the button to view them on your computer.